Hello everyone, this is Kritika. Welcome back to Happiness Multiplied. Today we are going to see the recipe to prepare some soft and fluffy bhaturas. It's a famous North Indian dish and is most commonly served with chola or chickpeas and pickle. So let's get started. Here is the list of ingredients to prepare almost 10 to 12 small to medium sized bhaturas. Also, there are some key points you should note while preparing bhaturas. I have listed them down at the end of the video and we will be talking about them as we prepare bhaturas. So let's start with the recipe. Take 2 cups of all-purpose flour or maida. Add 1.5 tablespoons semolina or suji. Add 1.5 tablespoon of sugar. Now add half teaspoon of baking powder and 2 pinch of soda. Add 2 tablespoon oil and mix it well. Should bind together like this. Mix it well. Now add half cup of curd. Mix well. Now prepare a soft dough using some water or milk. I prefer using milk for softer dough. Another important point you should remember is to keep kneading the dough continuously for around 7 to 8 minutes for softer and fluffy bhaturas. Once it is done, put some oil on the top of the dough and cover it with a clean cloth. And then rest it for at least an hour. Now after an hour, the dough is ready. Just knead it for another 2 to 3 minutes. Cut it into small portions and roll it using a rolling pin or balun. Just roll it. It should be neither too thick nor too thin. Before frying bhaturas, make sure oil is sufficiently hot, else bhatura will not puff up and will absorb a lot of oil. So it's ready. Put it inside the oil. Flip the side when it becomes golden brown and do the same for the other side as well. Now take it out and fry all the bhaturas in the same way. Your bhaturas are ready to be served. You can serve it hot with chola or chickpeas and some pickle. Here is the list of key points to remember while preparing bhaturas. Happy cooking! Happiness multiplied!